Hey guys, Angela Productions here, and today I am reviewing, just giving a showcase of my custom Ninjago Killow Big Fig here. This is basically just a built from my own pieces, built from scratch, Killow that's is useful for anyone who has not gotten the Killow vs. Samurai X set, or just prefers a Killow with a much more articulation, much easier to use in stop motion animation. So if you guys are interested in this, if you don't have your own Killow, make sure to stick around for the end of the video where I will have the build tutorial. So first of all, he does have the Mask of Deception, which you can get from the Temple of Resurrection set, and also the Killow vs. Samurai X set, of course. But if you're building this, then you most likely don't actually have that set. So really, the best way to get will be the Temple of Resurrection or something off Bricklink maybe. Obviously, he has that simple biker helmet that he always wears. We never saw his hair in the show, if he has any. He always wears that helmet. The face that I used underneath is the one from Thor and Oakenshield from the Hobbit sets, actually. And I know the skin color is not completely the same. It's not like a light gray, but I felt like the expression was very close. The facial hair and everything works very nicely for Killow. And then the other side does have an alternate expression there, which just has a more angry look, which also works for Killow very nicely. As you can see, this figure is built very large, trying to stay in the same size as a Lego Big Fig. If you try doing it with a comparison to an actual Big Fig, say Hulk here from the Thor Ragnarok sets, you can see very, very close in size, just a bit taller maybe. And obviously, unlike other Big Figs, he has a minifigure head instead of a Big Fig head, which made this mock much easier, actually. As you can see, he has the black biker jacket, I guess, with his chest showing there a little bit. His arms are completely posable, like that. Very easy to move around, much more posable than the actual Killow's arms. He's got, of course, the full hand. The other hand is completely identical. And then the legs here, very short, but obviously all Big Figs have these short little legs there, which are also posable, which is very nice. Actual Big Figs do not have posable legs, so that makes this figure very nice. And yeah, so he's got the orange studs there just to show the orange details on his biker gear. He's got these little parts up here kind of showing like shoulder pads. And then on the back, you can see the back of his biker jacket, just plain black pieces, plates, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And so yeah, that is pretty much it for my overview of the Killow Big Fig.